The sun is out, your garden looks perfect, and then, boom, weeds everywhere, dandelions taking over your lawn, tiny plants pushing through your patio cracks, and that frustrating feeling, didn't I just remove these last week? Here's the truth. Nobody tells you. You're not losing the battle because weeds are strong. You're losing because you're fighting them the wrong way. Most people just pull, spray, and hope, and that's exactly why weeds keep coming back. But today, I'm going to show you something different. A smarter, more effective method. One approach for your lawn, another for your patio, and one powerful trick to stop weeds from coming back at all. Let us start with the lawn. Part 1. Lawn weeds and why pulling them out is making things worse. When you see a dandelion in your lawn, the instinct is to grab it and pull. It feels satisfying, but here is what is actually happening beneath the surface. A dandelion taproot can grow up to 30 centimeters deep into the soil. When you pull the leaves and stem out by hand, that root stays exactly where it is. And within weeks, sometimes days, a brand new plant grows straight back from it. You are not removing the weed, you are pruning it. So what actually works? For individual weeds, use a long-handled weeding tool designed to extract the full root. You insert it into the soil alongside the root. Lever it out cleanly, and the entire plant comes with it. This works brilliantly for dandelions, plantain, and thistles, anything with a deep single taproot. But if your lawn has a widespread weed problem, clover spreading across large areas, or patches of creeping buttercup, a manual tool alone will not be enough. This is where a selective weed killer comes in. And I want to be very clear about what selective means, because this is where a lot of people go wrong. A selective weed killer is specifically formulated to kill broadleaf weeds, things like dandelions, clover, and daisies, while leaving your grass completely untouched. It works because grass has a different biological structure, and the active ingredient targets one without harming the other. Apply it on a dry, calm day, never when rain is forecast, and keep children and pets off the lawn until it has fully dried. Within 2 to 3 weeks, the weeds will yellow, shrivel, and die, and the grass beneath them will close in and recover naturally. And once the weeds are gone, here is how you stop them coming back. Raise your mowing height. Most people cut their grass far too short. When your grass is kept at 3 to 4 inches, it becomes thick and dense enough to block sunlight from reaching the soil surface. Weed seeds need light to germinate. No light, no weeds. Your own lawn becomes its best defense. Part 2. Patio and paving weeds. A completely different problem. The weeds growing between your paving slabs and along your patio edges are not the same as lawn weeds, and they should not be treated the same way. First, the mistake most people make. They reach for a total weed killer, something containing glyphosate, and spray it liberally across the patio. That works fine on hard surfaces, but the moment any of that spray drifts onto the lawn, and it will drift, you are left with dead brown patches. That can take months to recover. So on the patio, we use different methods entirely. Method 1. Boiling water. This is the simplest and most overlooked solution. Boiling water destroys plant cells on contact, roots included. Pour it carefully and directly onto the weeds growing between your slabs, and within 24 to 48 hours, they will be brown and dead. It costs nothing. leaves no chemical residue, and works every single time. Method 2. The DIY weed killing mixture. This is a recipe that gardeners swear by, and for good reason. Mix together white vinegar, table salt, and a small squeeze of washing up liquid. The vinegar breaks down the waxy coating on the leaves, the salt dehydrates the plant, and the washing up liquid helps the mixture stick to the surface. Apply it directly onto the weeds on a warm, dry day, and avoid getting it onto any surrounding soil or grass. This mixture changes the acidity of the surface where it lands, which is exactly why it works brilliantly between paving, but must never be used on or near your lawn. Method 3. Physical removal. For stubborn weeds that have rooted themselves deeply between the slabs, a wire brush or a patio knife is the most effective tool. Work along the joints, scrape out the roots, and clear away the debris. If you have a large area to cover, a flame weeder is worth every penny. A quick pass with the flame kills the plant instantly. No chemicals, no residue, no mess. Part 3. Prevention. How to stop weeds coming back permanently. Once your patio is clear, the single most effective thing you can do is seal the joints. The gaps between your paving slabs are where weed seeds land, take root, and establish themselves. Fill those gaps with kiln-dried sand or polymeric sand. Both are available at any builder's merchant or garden center. Brush it firmly into the joints until they are completely packed. Polymeric sand is particularly effective because it sets firm when watered, leaving no loose material for seeds to germinate in. It is a one-afternoon job, and it will save you hours of weeding every single year. Now, once you finally get rid of all those stubborn weeds, you might notice a new problem. Pulling out large taproots or killing thick patches of weeds often leaves behind ugly bare dirt spots in your grass. If your lawn is currently suffering from bare patches, whether from old weeds, heavy foot traffic, or pets, let me know in the comments. Because showing you how to repair those bare spots and grow thick green grass back fast is exactly what we are covering in the next video. Subscribe to Peak Agro Seeds so you do not miss it, and I will see you in the next one.